if you're new here, I'm Kathryn from Do It on a Dime, Dollar Tree and organizing expert. And if you have not been able to find a great Dollar Tree, or you want the straight scoop secrets, what's the best state to shop at, how do you find the best store and do it fast, you've made it to the right place. Brand new information I haven't heard anybody share, but today it is all for you. But we've got to start with the basics first. Then we get into the maps and store locators. The 3 things you need to have a great shopping experience is the right season, the right size, and the right staffing. Here's what I mean. The center of the store are items carried year-round. The periphery are all of the new items that they're rotating in. They come to the store in 2 waves. First, the preview wave, and then the full stock for that season. Seasonal stocking tends to happen about a month before that season takes place. So if you're shopping for Valentine's items, you should come in early January to find that first preview. Now, different stores are going to have different items, and they're not all going to roll out at the same time. The size of the store typically determines how fast those items hit the floor. The bigger store is going to have more inventory, it just is. So how do you find the biggest store? Go on DollarTree.com's store locator. It gets really specific and breaks down the sections of the store. If it sells bagged ice, has a freezer section and a snack zone, plus is a Dollar Tree Plus, meaning it has those items priced $3 to $5, that is likely to be a larger store. You've got to, however, combine this with staffing. Right now, some stores are understaffed. You need really great management and employees to make sure that store is looking awesome. I've been in stores that are technically supposed to be big and super great, and they look like a bomb went off. I've been in other smaller stores with really great staff and management. I always try to treat every Dollar Tree employee like a good friend because I am in those stores so much. I tell you what, that is gonna make all the difference. But wait. There's something I have never shared with you. Another way to find the best stores is to know where the Dollar Tree distribution centers are. Now remember, this is not verified. This is my experience. The closer you are to a distribution center, the better products you get. And more than that, you get them faster. We have distribution centers in Washington, California, Utah, Montana, Illinois, South Carolina, Mississippi, Oklahoma, Georgia, Virginia, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, and Ohio. Everything will be linked down below for your convenience. I find it so interesting to look at a map of all Dollar Tree locations. There's over 15,000 of them, and here are the states with the most Dollar Trees by location, lots of them near distribution centers, and these stores tend to be the best. In backwards order, here we go. At number 10, we have Michigan, my home state. Number 9, North Carolina, it's where I live now. Number 8, Georgia. Number 7, Illinois. Number 6, Ohio. Number 5, Pennsylvania. Number 4, New York. Number 3, Florida. Number 2, California. And number 1, the best state, in my opinion, to shop at the Dollar Tree is Texas. So hey, if you're traveling through any of those states, man, keep your eyes peeled. You might find something really cool. But would your family be okay with you running into Dollar Tree on vacation? I mean, mine kind of just expects it, but I don't know about you. And I want to give you guys even more. Right here are some of the biggest Dollar Trees in the country. I'm going to put a link down below and you can look up if you live near any of them. I'm in North Carolina and Burlington has a giant Dollar Tree. I actually haven't driven out to visit it yet, but it's worth checking out, especially if there's a lot of items you're looking for. But maybe you don't have time to drive around to stores. You can go on DollarTree.com and you can buy lots of items in bulk. Some quantities are as low as 3 to 6. They also have a flat rate shipping. So if you need to order a lot of things, that can be a way to go. But if you do shop online, I have noticed sometimes the stuff doesn't arrive. Like I've ordered 2 separate things from Dollar Tree online and it never actually came to my house. Other things I have ordered shipped to store and it did arrive. So I do think because this is newer, it might be hit and miss. So let us know your experience if you have one in the comments below. And I love fun fact history. The origins of the dollar store actually in the 1950s. There was a store called K&K and also Five and Dime, and they were connected. K&K later became KB Toys in the 90s, and they also had a section, that Five and Dime, where you could shop $1 products. They eventually did away with the toy store and decided just to focus on those $1 products, which led us to the dollar stores we know today. But who made famous with his purchase of a guitar shopping at the Five and Dime? None other than Bryan Adams, I think the original Dollar Tree hauler. I love these fun facts, but what you need to know is as Dollar Tree kept expanding into the 2000s, they acquired Family Dollar, they have the Dollar Tree Plus section now, there is more opportunity for you. You can find incredible and affordable organizing products year-round. It used to be if you missed the January wave, you were done for. There was no more cute stuff, but now they definitely have it at all of those Dollar Tree Plus stores. Some of my favorites to keep your eyes peeled for are the giant bins that are just $5. They have giant tubs, which I have done so much with. Those are only $5 a piece, and they have tons of closet organization that are very high quality. Also, even in the smaller stores, I'm seeing lots of selections of metal bins, wire bins, and lots of drawer organizers that they're carrying every single day. And if you find just a couple of those stores, maybe even just a couple of the bigger ones with some good management, you really can find lots of those products to organize your house. Is this helpful? Leave this video a big thumbs up and a comment down below. It helps so much with the algorithm, and I learn so much from this community all the time. This is seriously the coolest spot of the web. My sweet friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.